Background properties. Okay, so we have some background properties available in CSS. Okay, in HTML we have used some very few properties. So first one is a background image. Okay, next one is background repeat. Next one is background size and background position, background attachment, and background blend mode. So along with we have a few more properties is there. Okay, so we'll discuss in CSS. So let me go to this Visual Studio. Now I'm trying to download one PNG image. Okay, we go to this flat icons. So here we go. We have an emojis is there. Let me try to download any one emoji. Just click on this one here. Okay, so this is a flat icon website we have. So you can download any vector images. Okay, so here we go. So we have the sizes is there. I can choose the size. You can download here. Okay, so right now I'm choosing 128 pixels. Okay, click on this free download. So automatically I can get downloaded. Okay, and you can also apply. Suppose you can also apply some customization also. Okay, like this emoji is there. Okay, you can edit this icon. Okay, we can change the color also. So after choosing the color, you can download also. You can get a download here. Okay, now trying to take on sunflower. So I can choose this one. Okay, I'm just downloading this high-end resolution 5512. Okay, just click on this one. Click on this free download. Now go to our source file. Go to downloads. Just cut this one. We can paste it our in folder. Okay, so here we have sunflower happy. Now for this program, I'm taking this internal style sheet. Okay, so I'm setting the body. So for the body, I'm setting some background image for this. Okay, background image URL. So this is a syntax for writing a background image. So here I'm just writing a happy.png. So we'll run this one on the browser. Right click, open in default browser. Okay, so here we go. We have different types of we have a repetition of this image. Okay, so in order to avoid this repetition of a background image, so we have one property is in That is a background repeat property. Okay, so background repeat is a property in order to avoid the repetition. So we will write the no repeat background background repeat equal to no repeat, so which will avoid this repetition. Okay, so if you want to repeat this image only in x-axis, so you'll write here repeat x. Okay, so repeat x in the sense only it will be repeated in x direction. If you want to repeat in y direction, so we will write here y. So reload this page, we'll get this y direction. Okay, and let me take here no repeat. Okay, our next thing, so we have a background attachment is here. Okay, so for background attachment, I'll make it here. Let me take one more image. So that is a sunflower dot png. Okay, let me go to this, just reload this page. We'll get here a sunflower image. Okay, and let me add some text here. Okay, I'm taking some paragraph. I'm taking 10 words. Okay, and we'll do one thing. Lorem 40. Make it a beautify. So beautify is a code in order to beautify your Visual Studio Code. Okay, so I'm just copying this one. I'll paste it. Okay, now I'm just beautify our file. So we'll get here a code, beautiful. Now go to this browser, just reload this page. Okay, so here we go. We have a text here on the background image. Okay, so when I'm trying to scroll this text, okay, so look at this one, automatically the image also will be scrolled. Okay, I don't want to like this. I need to fix this image. Only the text will be scrolled. Okay, so for this we have one background property is there. So that is nothing but background attachment. Okay, make it a beautify. Go to this browser, just reload this page. See, now I need to fix this image here. So in order to fix this one, so we have background attachment. Okay, fix it. Now just reload this page. Okay, when I'm trying to scroll down this text, only the text will be scrolled. Okay, so the image will be in a fixed position. Okay, and if you want to repeat this image, we'll write here repeat x. Okay, so we'll get image like this. Okay, so like this the background images will be work. Okay, and we will discuss very clearly about in CSS and the background properties. Okay, so very first properties we have in CSS, background and the text properties and font properties. Okay, so got it right, background images and background repeat and attachment.
Yes, sir.
So next we'll go for very new topic, tables. Okay, so table is a tag. Okay, so table is in order to set the data in rows and columns. Okay, so we will store the data temporarily, and if you want to make sure that like the data will be arranged in that rows and columns, we'll use this tables here. Okay, in the tables we have like table headers is there and table borders. Okay, and we have a paddings and spacing is there, call span and row span. Okay, and table call group also there. And we'll get one interview questions about the table is what is the difference between cell padding and cell spacing? Okay, what is the difference between cell padding and spacing? Okay, and we have a row span, call span. Okay, and we'll set this table sizes. And we have the table borders. Okay, we have a call group like this. Okay, so along with the table, okay, we have a table structure is there. So table starting from the table tag, it's a block level element. Okay, table. So inside of table, we'll take here T head. That means table head. So this is indicate that table head. And we have table body, T body and T body close. Okay, so we have a table footer, T foot. T foot stands for table footer. Okay, so like this. So this is a table we have. Okay, this is table structure. So inside of that we will write here rows and columns. Okay, let me open MS Paint. See, listen very carefully. It is like confusion concept. If you understand, it is very easy concept. Okay, so in order to create a table, so table is like a box type container. Okay, so this is one table having the border. Okay, having some width and height. Okay, let me draw this one. So this is a table. Okay, so how do you create a table? So table is creating using table tag. Suppose I'm just writing here table. Okay, I'm writing some border one. Okay, border one, and something like width equal to 300 pixels, height equal to 600 pixels. Okay, so this is a table we have. Okay, and so this is a table end. Okay, now so here we have some space, right? This entire space. Okay, so this entire space is called table data. Okay, so the entire space is called table data. We can call it as a TD. Okay, it so in table data is in one row, right? Okay, so row in the sense this is a row we have. So this is a row. Okay, so entire the horizontal space is row. So that is nothing but table row. We can call it as TR. Okay, how do you create a table? So we have one row is there. Okay, TR. In that row, we use table data. Sorry, got it? So in order to create a table, we'll write syntax like this. Adamaina?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now the same thing I'll create it in Visual Studio also. Table1.html. Table. Basic table here. Table tr td. I'm trying to give some border here, border 1, and trying to give some width equal to 400 pixels. Height equal to 450 pixels. Okay, let me run this one on the browser. Right click, open in default browser. So we created a basic table here. Okay, the same thing this one also. Okay, now you tell me, can anyone, how many rows is there?
One row.
One
One.
row.
One row.
How many table data is there?
2.
Yes, 1. This is 2. Okay, same thing. So only one row we have, and we have a 2 table data. Let me go to this, just reload this page. Okay, we'll get an output here. Okay, next thing. How many rows is there?
2.
2.
2 rows.
Okay, each row contain?
4.
Each
2.
row contain 2.
Yeah.
So first row
2 table
contain
data.
Each row contain 2 table data.
the same thing. I'll copy this one. Okay, so this is a first row and this is a second row. So go to this browser, let's reload this page. You get an output. Okay, so next. How many rows is there? How many columns is there?
4 rows, 4 columns.
Okay, so we have a 4 rows is there. Okay, each row contain 4 columns.
4.
Let's make it to 4. Okay, you can copy this one. 4. So go to this, let's reload this page. Okay, so like this we can create a table here. So table is containing rows and columns, tr and tds. Now go to this one. So here we have one more concept like padding and spacing, cell padding and cell spacing. Okay, so for this I'm trying to remove this one here. Okay, now go to this browser, just reload this page. Look at this one here. How we have a table and we didn't set any width and height for this one. Okay, now what is a cell padding and cell spacing? Okay, cell padding is a one in order to increase the inner space. Okay, so cell లోపల ఉన్న inner space ని increase చేయాలంటే we'll use the cell padding. If you want to increase the inner space of the cell, we use this cell padding. Cell spacing is the one. Okay, so it give space between the cells. Okay, so space between the cells is a cell spacing. Okay, cell padding is nothing but the inner space of cell. Let me explain that one also. So here I'm just writing cell padding. Cell padding equal to something like 60. I'll give here. Let me go to this browser, just reload this page. Okay, it just increase the space of the cell. Now I'm just adding cell spacing. So space between the cell is nothing but cell spacing. Cell spacing, I'm just giving here 40. Just reload this page. Look at this. Okay, we'll get a space between the cell here. When you remove this cell spacing, okay, see, you just remove the space here. I got it. అర్థమైందా?
Yes,
yes,
sir.
sir.
So that is the difference here. Okay, now, okay, so I need to apply a color for this table. Okay, so I need to apply a color for table. So here we have a tr is there, right? In that we will use the style tag. Okay, you just write background color orange. Okay, now go to this browser, just reload this page. So we'll just apply a entire row as a orange. Now I don't want to like this. I need to apply different colors for this table cell. Okay, so for this cell, if you want, you can write here style tag background color green, style tag background color blue. So go to this, let's reload this page. So you'll get a different color for the table cell. Red, like this. Okay, so like this you can also apply the color for this one. Now let me create one more table. So table having different sizes, different sizes. So I told you that we have this. Okay, we will explain later. So table, I'm taking some border. So this time I'll take with this 2. Okay, and width. I'm taking style tag. I'm just giving some width here. Width equal to 700 pixels. Okay, and height equal to like 600 pixels. Okay, now I'm taking some tr. Okay, you can also take the tr and you can also take this th also. Okay, sorry, tr inside we will take th also. So th in the sense table head. Okay, I'll show the difference here. Th, I'm just writing a serial number. Th, I'm just writing name. Th, I'm just writing marks. So TR is taking TD, okay, and taking 1 TD. I'll take your names. TD 100. Let me make a copy to Dheeraj. Make a copy. Rajesh. Three, 4. Raju. 5. And 6. Vinay. Okay, so here I'm taking some data. Okay, let me run this one on the browser. Right click open. Sorry, go to this browser once. Just reload this page. Go there. So you can see this here, a table data. Okay, see I'm taking a table head, right? So if we take in TDs instead of table head, well, let's make it 2. Say I'm taking here table data instead of TH. Okay, now go to this browser, just reload this page. What happened? Okay, now go to this browser, just reload this page. Okay, now look at this one. So the text is in a normal text. Okay, it is aligned with the left align. Okay, if you use a TH, you make it to Control Z. Okay, if you use a TH, we'll get here for heading bold and make it to center position. Okay, now we'll copy this one. Okay, I'll need to copy this, make it some data there. So go to this browser, let's reload this page. So we have here a data is here. Okay, so for this data, I need this TH. Okay, name, I need a width here, width, like we have a 700 pixels, right? So width I'm taking here, I need 50 or 60%. Okay, so 60% of width I need for this name. Okay, so go to this, just reload this page. So you take name as a 60% of your total width. Okay, and If you want, you can also use needs 80% so that the space will be arranged like for serial numbers and marks, and name should be occupied this 80% here. Okay, so like we have a different types of sizes you can set here. Okay, now I have one doubt here, like border I'm taking 8, why only 1 and 2? So can I take 8? What happened in the sense, just reload this page, you just add the thickness here to thickness of your table. Now have you observed this one here, each line represents this double digit format, right? So I'll just remove this one. So in order to remove this one for the table, so we use here border collapse equal to collapse. So this property will helps you remove these double lines here. We'll get here a single line border. Okay, I got it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, so this is a table head, right? Okay, so this one will make it to T head, and so T head close. So comments are necessary. Okay, well, while writing any type of code, you need to mention the comments. It helps to the who are reading your code. It's a good practice. Okay, table head, I will write like this, and this is a table body, T body. So T body. Okay, so we'll close here. I'll close here. T body. Next, I'm taking this T foot. T foot. T foot close. Okay, so like this, same output will get, nothing will be changed, just adding some table structure. Okay, so like this we can take. Next thing is call span and row span. For call span and row span, so here how many rows and how many columns is there?
Two
Two
rows,
rows.
2
one.
rows, 1 column.
Each row containing 1 column. Okay, now here
Two rows. Two columns.
okay, so here we have these 2 rows is there. Okay, each row contain, so first row contain 2 columns and second row
Second
contain how many
contains one
columns?
column.
1 column.
One column.
Okay, now how can you achieve this one? Okay, let me go to this here. Call span and row span. So call span in the sense we can merge the column. Okay, so call span. For this, let me take a table tr. So first row contain 2 tds. Next row we have a tr and td. Take some border 1, and you can set here width